In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extend video in Kling AI. If you've ever wished a clip were just a little longer to complete a moment, add breathing room for a cut, or match a voiceover, this workflow is for you. Extending a video in Kling AI continues your existing scene, preserving the look and motion so the added seconds feel natural and seamless. Before we start, make sure you're signed into the Kling AI app and that your account has an active subscription, since the extend feature requires plan access and may use credits. Once you're in the app, head to the main workspace. From here, click on Assets. This is your personal library where all your uploaded and generated media lives. It's the best place to manage versions and keep things organized, and it ensures you're extending the exact clip you want rather than a duplicate or an outdated draft. Inside Assets, choose the video you want to extend. Look for the most finalized version of your clip, ideally one with stable motion and consistent lighting. The cleaner and clearer the source, the better the extension will match in texture, style, and pacing. If you're working with multiple takes, pick the one whose final frame feels like it can naturally continue. With the video selected, click on Edit. This opens the editor view for that asset. You'll see your clip ready to adjust, along with controls that affect how Kling will process the output. Think of this as your staging area before generation. At the bottom of the editor, click the setting that shows something like 1080p 5s. 1. This compact control is where you set key parameters. The resolution determines visual sharpness, the duration represents the length Kling will generate, and the final number relates to generation settings for that run. For most use cases, 1080p provides a great balance of clarity and speed. In the duration options, choose length 5s. This tells Kling to add 5 additional seconds that continue your existing footage. Shorter increments like 5 seconds tend to preserve continuity, reduce drift, and keep motion believable. If your timing needs are precise, 5 seconds is often enough to bridge cuts without introducing new visual ideas. When you're ready, click Generate. Kling AI will process the extension and attach those added seconds to your clip. Generation time can vary based on server load and settings, so let it run until it finishes. Keep the tab open for the smoothest experience, and remember that higher resolutions or multiple runs may use more credits. Once complete, your extended version will be available from the same project, giving you a longer, cohesive clip ready for editing or sharing. That's all there is to it. Extend confidently and keep your story moving.